When I press the green button on my earthwise tiller cultivator, it won't start. Model is TC70001. Worked fine last year.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shutoff valve open and the fuel clean?
This is electric.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Me and my husband.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's it. Like I said, when I press the button and pull up the handle, won't do anything.
Hello. My name is. Will be happy to assist you.
Why has this Donald not called me yet? Sittin G right by the phone.
Thanks for your response. I will give you a call.
Cannot connect to this URL in settings.
I just called, but I didn't get an answer. I will try again. We can continue from here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.